60 questions, 105 minutes, 73% to pass. That is the AgentForce Specialist exam in 3 numbers. It has 0 prerequisite. Anyone can register today. So is it actually worth your time or just another expensive batch? In this video, I will show you what the exam actually tests. You will see the real payoff for working professionals versus total beginners, and you will see why the wrong strategy wastes your certification. If you want videos that cut through the certification hype, hit subscribe right now. Why this matters. AI is not a side project inside Salesforce anymore. Every company is trying to figure out AgentForce right now. Most of them have nobody on staff who actually knows how. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do next. What the exam actually tests. Let's start with the exam itself. It is 60 multiple choice and multiple select questions. You get 105 minutes to finish. There is no partial credit on multi-select questions. You need every correct option, not just some of them. To pass, you need a score of 73%. Please verify that is higher than the standard admin exam. The admin exam only needs 65%. Probably. It also costs $200 to sit. A retake costs another $100 if you fail. This certification replaced the old AI specialist exam back in March of 2025. Once you pass, it stays valid for 3 years. That's pretty good. So here is the part nobody tells you upfront. Agent building alone makes up 35% of the exam. That is the single largest section by far. The rest covers topics, actions, guardrails, prompt builder, and the Einstein trust layer. Skip hands-on practice with Agent Builder. You are gambling with your $200. This exam tests scenarios, not flashcards. Several answers look almost right on purpose. Learning to eliminate the wrong ones is its own skill. People who have passed keep saying the same thing. Get into a developer org and build real agents. Break them, fix them, then break them again. Reading about AgentForce will not get you past this exam. Building it will. The real ROI for working professionals. So if you are already working in Salesforce, this certification hits differently. You are not starting from zero. You already know how the platform works. Adding AgentForce skills turns you into the person your company turns to for AI projects. Now, here is the part that surprised me. A recruiter placed an admin this spring. She had 4 years of experience. She was stuck at $98,000. She spent 6 months learning flow. Then she built her company's first AgentForce service agent. She moved to a fintech company that needed exactly that skill. Her new salary was $128,000. Same person, same admin badge, $30,000 of difference. That gap was not the certification alone, it was the certification paired with a real working agent. That combination is what actually moves your pay. And this is not just an admin story. Developers and consultants are seeing the same shift. AgentForce experience is still thin talent pool right now, so companies are paying up for the few people who actually have it. If you want this exam on your first attempt, I can help. My Salesforce AgentForce Specialist Certification course walks you through every exam objective. It is hands-on practice, not just theory. I also have a dedicated AgentForce Specialist practice test course. Use it to drill the scenario style questions. Both are available at my tutorial rack. And before we continue, I also publish new Salesforce videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you do not want to miss the next one, hit subscribe right now. Why T-shaped professionals win. The most valuable Salesforce professionals right now are not one trick. They are what people call T-shaped. Deep in one specialty like AgentForce, broad across the rest of the platform too. That means pairing this certification with something like Service Cloud or with Data 360 Consultant. Data Cloud was actually renamed to Data 360 back in October of 2025. AI skill alone only takes you so far. But here is the catch. Not every company weighs this same way. Cutting edge companies are prioritizing AgentForce skills hard right now. Plenty of other companies still care more about your admin or Data 360 background. This certification can get your foot in the door. Your broader Salesforce experience is what steals a senior role. Think of the certification as the opener, not the closer. The beginner reality check. Now let's talk about beginners. This part matters most. This exam has zero formal prerequisite that makes it look like a fast track into AI, but be honest with yourself here. The era of one certification landing you a job is over. Entry-level Salesforce roles already have too many certified candidates. Hiring managers are tired of paper candidates. That means people with certificates and no real project work. If you have zero Salesforce background, this exam alone will not get you hired. So where is the actual value for a true beginner? It is a signal that you know where your career is going. That signal only works when paired with real fundamentals. Pair it with admin or app builder knowledge, then add one real hands-on project you can actually show someone. A live demo beats a certificate every single time in an interview. Trailhead even recommends starting with the AI Associate exam first. It is not required, but it builds the foundation this exam assumes you already have. Skip that foundation and the scenario cushions will blindside you. The AI Associate is no longer there. So here is what this actually means for you. If you already work in Salesforce, add AgentForce to your resume. Back it with one real project. That combination turned a $30,000 raise into reality for that one admin. If you are brand new to Salesforce, do not start here. Get your administrator or platform app builder foundation first, then add AgentForce as a specialty on top of that foundation. Either way, the certification is the door. Your real project work is what walks you through it. Salary data across the ecosystem backs this up. The professionals pulling ahead right now are not the ones chasing badges. They are the ones who can point to something they actually built. Let's bring this together. The exam is fair but scenario heavy, not memorization. For working professionals, this certification is a real accelerator with project work. T-shaped skills beat one-time trick specialist in the market. For total beginners, the certification alone will not get you hired. It only works stacked with real fundamentals and hands-on practice. If this video helped you decide your next move, hit subscribe. New Salesforce videos go up every Tuesday and Thursday. Drop a comment. Which certification are you stacking with AgentForce next? If you want the fastest path to passing this exam, my Salesforce AgentForce Specialist Certification course is at my tutorial rack. Link is in the description. Thank you.